Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, like I was saying yesterday, I think we're making a pullback to this whole move down, the whole five waves. Likely that means we're going to go at least to the 50, could even be to 61 or to 78%. So I am definitely still bullish until the market tells me otherwise. Doesn't mean that the possibly couldn't be a bigger pullback along the way, making some more of a like a three-way pattern. But I do think overall the dollar in the US dollar CAD are going to be bullish overall for quite some time. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely still bullish. I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. I'm watching my Fibonacci retracement levels very closely. If we get a break to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then we are likely back into the uptrend, kind of like what happened over here. A break to the upside, a pullback, and then continuation pattern. So if we get something like that over here, a nice break to the upside, nice pullback, that would be a really nice entry to go long, potentially for the continuation of the daily time frame move to the upside, which is likely a pullback to the weekly time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.